Girl, you're about to get on a whole new schedule. I feel like I've been gone for like 1,000 years. I feel like it's been a long time since I posted something. It's only been 2 weeks though, but I'm sitting down and I'm recording. Welcome back to Creating the Vision. If you are new here, my name is Deanna and I am creating the vision of my life. And this segment is fitness. So this is check-in 8 and 9 because I didn't post last week. Last week was a very eventful week for me. And so this is my first time sitting down and recording in 2 weeks. So what's up? Hey, what's up, y'all? I'm back. Okay, guys, listen. The last 2 weeks has been very eventful. And when I say very eventful out of nowhere, it was very eventful out of nowhere. What is today? Sunday? I have been outside, and when I say outside, I don't mean just like going outside to work and back home. Like my typical outside is home, work, home. Outside on random Mondays, outside on random Tuesdays, Wednesdays. Listen, I am not intentionally practicing being spontaneous in my life, but the spontaneousness has been stepping into my life. And so when I made this series, yes, it is directed towards like health and fitness. However, creating the vision is a wide spectrum for me because everything in my life I have a vision for, and so going outside and enjoying my life on a work day, and actually enjoying my weekends and feeling the full day and not just dedicating my life to just work and being at home. I have been practicing being spontaneous, so I have been outside. And so what I have noticed was with my initial creating the vision plan, it was specifically designed for basically like work home balance. So I'm making sure that I'm doing my fitness at home, and while I'm at work, I'm getting my steps in, so I'm doing work there. So this past week and last week is like, okay, the work home balance routine doesn't work when I am being spontaneous also. So with that, redirection. Every journey has turns, detours, and all types of things that make you have to go left when you thought you was finna go right, and go up when you thought that you was finna go down. You feel me? Like a journey not a journey if you don't get lost, right? A road trip not a road trip if you don't get a little lost. You feel me? But all of the streets connect, and they can connect to get to the goal. And so my goal is still the same. However, since I am now creating a vision of fun outside of my house, now I have to redirect, refocus, and also replan what my health and my fitness looks like surrounded by a random night at the movies. Or like last Thursday, we went to a random jazz concert. So like the random fun things are popping up in my life, and because I asked for those things, I'm going to do them. So now I just have to figure out and map out my plan when it comes to that. So next week is a very big test. Next week is Thanksgiving, and alongside of Thanksgiving and the food that's going to be on that table, I'm going to be working from home all next week. Like now I'm going to be at home for the full 24 hours for the entire week. And so I really have to put into practice a brand new plan, because not only has life been very eventful and I've been outside, but also like mentally and just like physically, the routine that I have been on with the 75 hard, like today should be maybe like day 69. I'm just so used to it. And so like I'm like kind of bored of this class because this is what I do now. It's a habit now. It's ingrained in me now, and I think that my spirit is getting a little bit bored. And so with that, I don't want to get so bored that I get lazy with the program that I set myself up for. And so guess what, girl? You're about to get on a whole new schedule. So I hope you're ready. I hope you enjoyed your 2 weeks where you were, I don't want to say slacking, but I also know that I wasn't giving my very best. I was choosing fun instead of fitness. I wouldn't say that I wowed out eating, because I really didn't. I was still eating what I had prepped, but I did go outside to some restaurants. Some restaurants I sat down and had a Michelin star experience. Okay, and so I was outside, like I said. So I have to recalibrate, readjust all of the refocus, not the same path, but a different path going to the same goal. Because I don't want this to be the exact program that I'm doing. Okay, I know how to do this. I know how to finesse this, and look up and just bored and lazy with it, and just giving it half of the all that I could be given. So this is me stepping into week 10, and the week 10 is going to be recalibration. Even though it's a holiday week, that's even a bigger test, because I have been turned down a little bit these last 2 weeks. This might be part of the setup. This part of the setup, because it's just like kind of been trickling down week 8, kind of been trickling down week 9, and week 10 is supposed to be the holidays, and this is when I'm supposed to fail. But I already know the game. So I'm 10 steps ahead. Chess, not checkers, baby. Even though I don't know how to play chess yet. Chess, not checkers. I'm already peeping game before it happened. I'm already peeping game before it happened. So I am about to create myself a brand new schedule tonight. Tonight is Sunday. Tomorrow is when it starts. I'm about to create me a brand new plan. Still finishing off 75 hard, of course, this week. And it's just so raw. Did I do that on purpose? Set up 75 hard to end on Thanksgiving? I don't know, but baby, that's smart too. All I know, I'm about to create me a brand new schedule routine tonight, so that tomorrow, when Monday starts, I can start practicing it, so that I know these are my new classes. This is my new schedule that I have to do, and making sure that I'm regraining something new. Well, it wouldn't be a regrain if I'm doing something new. I'm starting a brand new path to the same destination, but I need to start this on Thanksgiving week, so that I won't I can't take shortcuts on a route that I don't know. That's good. I can't take shortcuts on a route that I don't know. The plan that I have been doing for 75 hard, I know that route, so I can take small little shortcuts or whatnot. But I can't, but I have. Let me say that. So yeah, I am about to create this new plan, and actually ChatGPT is going to create it for me, and I'm going to do what it says. Because of the results of what I have been seeing, and how I feel about next year, I could never let this time slip through my fingers. Life is going to be different next year. And so because I have the vision and I feel, things, I'm not letting this time slip between my fingers, so now it's time to sit up straight and crack your knuckles and really be like, okay, now this is what we finna do. Are you playing now? Oh, okay, yeah. Oh, it's too easy now. Okay, I got something for you. So we about to turn it up, since it's so easy for you. It's easy for you, girl. I'll be talking to myself, y'all. Still have been getting my walks in, not as many. We did have a snow scare here in Chicago, and I just didn't know what to do with myself. I looked outside the window and I said, I'm not ready for this. And that's another thing. I have to figure out my winter plan, because I'm still going to be in the office 4 days, and I can't walk on my walking pad, and I don't know if I'm going to be walking in the Chicago snow during my breaks, like how I'm walking while it's dry outside. And I just want to thank fall this season for standing up for itself and being fall, and not letting winter slip in early, because this has been an amazing fall, and I really have been able to be outside getting my steps in. So I'm redirecting my path today, so that I can stay on track and close out 75 hard and start whatever it is that I'm going to start. But yeah, because I'm going to be working from home, this starting tomorrow for the holiday, I have to do a home plan, a work-life balance plan, and also a plan that includes spontaneous things, which you really can't plan around spontaneous things, but I need to get what I need to get done so that if something does pop up, it's already taken care of, you know? So multiple plans, like plan A, plan B, plan C, or just a plan depending on the scenario, and then I can just use it because I already have it, you know? But I'm stepping into week 10 of creating the vision, and yeah, I'm feeling good. I got a lot of compliments last week. I did. But yes, continue to follow me along on this journey, especially with me redirecting. This is a very realistic part of any type of journey, especially for the ones that it's like a long-term goal or something that you don't get quick. It's like I have to be adding new things in, or I am going to get bored, and I'm going to start taking shortcuts. That's realistic. This is why it's important to know yourself and know how you operate. You're going to finesse yourself because you know yourself. Of course, I'm going to be like, maybe I don't have to take a walk after this lunch. I'm going to take a walk when I eat my dinner. Yep, that's what I'm gonna do. And then it's like, man, this bed's so comfortable. I just want to rest for a couple of more minutes. I'll be okay. I don't need to do 15 minutes of cardio. I'm gonna relax. And then it starts looking like a decrease, and then it started looking like nothing, you know. And I can feel the beginning stages of that. And so now I'm like, wake up, get up, let's go. You feel me? So yeah. And also, checking in is holding myself accountable, because it's just like, dang, I'm like, what am I finna tell them this week? Because I just feel like this week wasn't nothing. Realistically, in your journey, you're going to have points that's not so high up than others. You feel me? And when you have to be like, this actually wasn't a great week and I can see myself falling off track, let me refocus. You know, so this is a refocus, redirection, recalibrate. Because it's time. So it's technically, yeah, it's the check-in is that I can feel the decrease. And then the solution is me about to regenerate and redirect my journey. You know, so continue to follow me along. And yeah, we should be posting like some holiday content or something on here, but side note, thank you. Please subscribe, and thank you for following me along on this journey. We're going to be stepping into week 10, this special holiday week of Thanksgiving, and putting things to the test, you know, to make sure I really don't fall off track. Is that Thanksgiving food gonna mess me up? Find out next time on Creating the Vision.